Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming in a new location. I'm filming in my mom's house. My house is going through a bit of construction. It's a bit noisy and it's a bit of a mess, so I'm temporarily going to be filming here. Today I'm going to be making an In-N-Out animal style fries for you guys. I'm going to be making it from scratch, from the sauce to the grilled onions, except for the fries, which, to save some time, I bought prepackaged, and that's okay. Today I have with me two little guests. I have our new little family member, not my dog, Milo. It is my parents' dog, and my sister's bird, Raz. They are going to be my little helpers. So please like this video for Milo and Raz. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for future notifications so you never miss a video, and don't forget to like. And comment down below if you are a dog person, a bird person, or a cat person like me. But in general, I love all animals. With that being said, let's get right into it. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. You will need 1 cup of mayo. You will need 1 cup of ketchup. You'll need 2 teaspoons of mustard. You will need 1 tablespoon pepper, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of the pickle juice. Half a cup of pickles. We're gonna give this a really good mix. Combine everything really well. You can see the color is starting to look like spread. And once you mix everything, we're gonna go ahead and put this in the fridge while we bake the fries and grill the onions. I've put my fries out on a pan and I'm gonna go ahead and bake this for about 28 to 30 minutes. While this is baking, we're gonna get started on the grilled onions. I've chopped up 2 onions. You have to chop it up really finely. We're gonna grill this in some oil now. So my 2 onions, I have some oil in a pan. You can use olive oil or regular oil. I'm just using regular oil, and I'm gonna fry this in the oil until this is like a caramel, deep golden brown, and you'll see. I've been sauteing this on medium heat for about 15 minutes now. I'm gonna go for another 15 minutes. My onions are done. It's been about 30 minutes on medium heat. This is the perfect color. If you want, you can go ahead and cook it down more, but this is perfect for me. Okay, I took my fries out of the oven. It's been 30 minutes, and now we're gonna put some cheese slices right on top and put it right back in. I placed the cheese slices on top of the fries. I'm gonna stick this back in the oven for about 5 minutes until it's melted. I have taken out my fries with the cheese placed on top out of the oven. I have my sauce and I have my onions. We're gonna assemble this now and get it all together. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this In-N-Out animal style fries. Please give this video a like, subscribe, comment down below what's your favorite food at In-N-Out. Mine is the animal fries and the animal style hamburgers. So let me know in the comment section what you like. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for future notifications so you never miss a video. Say bye, Raz. Say bye, Milo. Bye. We want to wish you guys a Happy New Year. Bye. Look what he did.